Hello everybody, my name is Richard and today is lecture 3 on the computer, introduction to computer, and it is computer hardware. So today we'll learn about input system and we'll learn just in input devices in this session, and the next session we'll talk about system unit. Okay, as we have talked about computer, now we are going to learn how we can give command or how we can put our details inside the computer so that we can start processing. Or basically I can say that now we are going to talk about the first function of computer, that is accepting input. That is the first operation of computer, that accepting input. So basically here we are talking about giving instruction to computer, how we are going to give data or give instruction to computer. So when you are about to use your computer, it means that you want to give some command, to give some inputs. So this is what we say as the input, we say the operation of giving process. So here we'll talk about input devices. So these are the hardware that provide instruction or data to the PC while you are using it. So we can say these are the devices that are used to give user ability to enter data or instruction into the computer memory. So that's easy, that's a simple definition. And basically there are a lot of input devices, but the most common ones are just like keyboard. We have scanner. Also we have some other input devices like the pointer devices. Also we have a mouse. Also we have a lot of them. So sometimes we can have alternative of inputting devices like touch screen, or we can have like as we see in some computer, you can touch the screen. Also you can use sticks to give input or to give information to a PC. All know that all inputting devices are very important for giving command, and the best thing you have to understand is that the most popular or the well-known input device is the keyboard, where you write when you want to write some Word document. You write. If you want to just create some material, you use the keyboard. So sometimes we have another pointing device. We have another inputting device, that is the pointer. Pointer is that arrow that we see on the PC like this. When we are scrolling, this is a pointer. So this is an input device because it allows us to, let's say, if we want a certain program, we click that program. If we want a certain thing to be open, then we open. So this is a pointing devices, and this is a pointer. This is a pointer. It's an on-screen symbol. As I show you that it's used to help us to select. So it's governed by, or it's selected by the mouse, the wheel mouse. The wheel mouse is a device that helps the pointer to move from one direction to another. So as I said, this is a wheel mouse, and this which is moving here is a pointer. So the wheel mouse helps the pointer to move back and forth, up and down. So it's easy for you to give the instruction to computer. Alternative to mouse, something that can help you to just give the direction or to move the pointer or to select the material is by using, let's say, touch screen, or you can use pointing stick. As I said, for some other computers you may find it. Also you can use touchpad, or you can use trackpad. So that's also when we are talking about generally when we are talking about hardware that are used to give input to the computer, things like microphones, and also we have scanners. Also we have barcode readers, we have optical marker readers. We also have magnetic ink character recognition. Also, we have optical character recognition, optical mark recognition. All these things are very important because nowadays people are using check electronic things, and all electronic things should be entered in the computer. So, like say when we have magnetic ink character, this is used for reading the special ink, magnetic ink that's always used in the bank check. So if you have a check, you want to pay your money, and they pass it, or they enter the details from that check to the computer by using this magnetic ink character recognition, MICR. So you have to understand this. This is one of the best. This is one of the common input device for the computer. Also, we have something else called optical character recognition. This is basically used to scan. It's like basically here we are talking about scanning, but we have different devices that are used for doing scanning. This is used basically for reading an image. If you have a picture you want to enter the computer, you may use this. Okay, all in all, we have another this one. It's applicable include. So the very first part of computer hardware is like this. When we're talking about computer hardware, basically we talk about input devices and output devices and system units. So now I have talked about input devices that are found externally. That I have said the very common input devices are keyboard, we have scanner, and we have pointers. We have pointers. We have a wheel mouse. We have a mouse. So all these things are very important to help you giving some command to a computer. And other things other alternative, let's say to mouse or to the keyboard that will help you to give input to computer are these things that we have already: optical mark recognition, OMR, or is MICR. And also we can use for directing, or for the same work as pointers, we can use touch screen or toy stick and so on. So this is a very introduction for the hardware part of computer. Okay, thank you. Welcome to the next session, that where we'll talk about system unit. Okay, see you in the next session.